I just got on a plane to get this chocolate. We flew to Dubai to get our hands on the viral Dubai chocolate.
Was it worth it? And will any of these UK alternatives match up?
Let's find out. I'm Alex and this is Dasha, head baker here at The Big Bakes, and today we're going to be testing the viral Dubai chocolate up against 3 versions that you can get here in the UK to see which one's the best. Well,
I'm excited.
We're about to find out.
So today we are looking for a good snap in the chocolate, a good taste, and an overall chocolate experience. Let's see.
Let's go! So this one is called Fix, and this is the one that's gone absolutely viral on TikTok, Instagram, you name it.
Oh my God.
That is actually really beautiful.
What?
Look at that.
Let's see. Wow. Ooh, lovely.
You ready for the snap?
Yes.
Okay, let's go.
Let's do it.
Oh.
Wow.
There's a lot in there. That's really packed in. Cheers.
Jeez.
That's really delicious. It's very crunchy. It's a huge amount of filling. It's a nice ratio of chocolate to filling as well. I really like that. I think that's delicious. It's really rich.
It didn't really have a snap. I don't think it was tempered properly, but taste-wise, experience-wise,
That's lovely.
it's smooth and crunchy at the same time.
I want to eat more.
Yeah.
Yeah. And turns out these guys only Deliveroo at 2 and 5, only to Dubai. So that's what I had to do, get a Deliveroo. I flew all the way to Dubai to get a Deliveroo.
Nice. Love that.
But there you go. I really enjoyed that.
That was delicious.
I have to say. I've been looking forward to that.
Yeah.
And what would you guys give it out of 10 then?
I'd give that a 10 out of 10. But I've been on a journey.
Yes. I think I'm going to give this an 8.9. It's not quite a 9. It's close. Yeah. It's delicious. I would have more.
Great. Okay,
We
moving
have
on.
more. Okay, next up is a Dubai chocolate from Macro Food Centre in the UK. And this one is $12.99. Let's see.
Very
That's
nice.
nice.
Very nice.
Can you lift it up? Yeah. Ooh.
Ooh, yeah. That was a snap.
That was a
And
snap.
it's not melting.
It's not melting.
No.
Interesting. Let's go
Okay.
again. Let's see the actual
Ready?
middle. Oh. That does look
It
pretty
smells delicious,
Yeah.
actually.
good. It's not quite as thick a filling layer.
Or as green
Or as green, that's
as
true.
that one. Oh, let's see.
Oh,
Okay. A lot sweeter.
that tastes really different.
The chocolate is good.
It's making my face go like this.
It's got a strange aftertaste.
Different. Really
tastes sweet.
Really sweet.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I don't think the
it's
chocolate is delicious.
as rich and flavoursome
Yeah.
as Fix.
Yeah.
It
The chocolate was tempered properly, so when you bite into it, it snaps.
was really nice, yeah.
What were you rating it guys?
In comparison to this one, I'd give this a 6.
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I think so. I agree, actually.
Yeah.
It's too sweet for me. I don't think,
Yeah.
you know.
It's quite a nice chocolate bar. But now that I've tasted the original.
If we want pistachios, we want pistachios.
Yeah. I agree.
And it was only £2 less as well.
It was only £2 less.
Oh.
However, you don't have to get on a plane.
You do not have to get quite a few more pounds less than that one, actually. Oh, sorry. That was really loud, actually. I'm really excited for this one, actually.
Yes.
Lovely.
Okay. Let's look at number 3.
Ooh,
So I'd say this is really beautiful packaging.
beautiful.
This is really lovely. The design is lovely. There's a bit of gold foil on there. It's giving fairly premium, but look how thin it is in comparison to the bad boy of Dubai.
We want more.
We always want more.
We want more.
So it is thinner. It's taller.
Yeah.
So maybe it all works out. Maybe it all balances out. Oh, I kind of destroyed the packaging now.
Well, it doesn't matter.
Ooh, okay.
Wow.
It looks really lovely. There's no necessarily colourful design on the top as the other ones, but let's have a look.
Let's see.
Okay.
Ready?
Ooh, I can't see very much, I have to say.
Okay.
Let's snap it again.
Oh,
Ready? Okay.
Oh, yeah.
Now you can see it. That does look good.
it's nice. Green.
Yeah, it's a really
I like
nice,
it.
vibrant colour.
Mm.
Ooh. Very nutty.
Mhm.
There's less of the crunchy filling. I think maybe because there's just less space in there.
Mhm.
But the flavour's
I
really
love
nice.
this chocolate.
Mm-hmm. The milk
Delish.
chocolate on the outside is really delicious.
Yeah.
And that's quite nice if it's not too sickly.
I would like to have more filling in it.
Mm-hmm. Maybe the
That's
thinness
yum.
is helping with the snap as well.
Mhm.
But yeah, that's delicious. I really like that.
Yeah. Out of 10.
I would about a 9 out of 10. Yeah.
Same as the Dubai.
If someone, you know, came round to my house and was like, oh, I brought you this lovely limp bar, I'd be really excited about that.
Would you go to the shops and pay 10?
That is a really good question. Would I go to the
Probably
shops
not.
and pay £10 for
I
this?
would say no.
Maybe as a
For a
birth-
special occasion.
yeah, birthday treat.
For a special occasion, guys. For Christmas. I think so. I think
What-
I'm going to
what
give
are
it
you
an 8.5.
Okay.
Yeah.
So what's our fourth and final one?
Okay, our final one is very fancy Godiva. This is £20. It hurts me a little bit.
That is more than the original
That is
Dubai
more.
chocolate.
It's a gold brand.
You should fly to Dubai instead of buying this. It's cheaper. Let's see.
Okay,
All right.
interesting.
You don't sound very...
Oh, where's the fun little
Ooh.
design?
There's the design.
Ooh.
Okay.
Ooh, that was nice.
There's a
Oh.
lot of pistachio in there.
There is a lot of pistachio in there. It is resembling more
Let's,
the original.
Let's see. Let's put them side to side.
Oh, it smells delish. Yeah, that's good.
That's pretty good.
It's a very thin chocolate on the outside as well, so it's not going to be overpowering over
Yeah.
the filling.
Okay, I'm excited.
I'll give you the small one.
Oh,
Ready?
that was pretty satisfying. Actually.
Yeah, it's a nice snap. Oh, I'm buzzing for this.
Ooh, it's really creamy.
Mmm. Okay.
That is very, very nice.
That is pistachio.
Yeah,
That is pistachio.
yeah, you can really taste it.
Don't fly to Dubai, buy this.
I'd give that a 9 out of 10 as well.
I think I would give this a 10.
A 10.
I think this is the best one.
£20 well spent.
Mm. That really surprised me. This is like eating pistachios.
It is, yeah.
I'm impressed.
Would I pay £20 for it though?
Yeah, probably not. But it's delicious. I think I know what the difference is. Dubai original has tahini based in it. I think.
It does
I
say
believe.
tahini in the ingredients. Tahini based.
I don't think Godiva has tahini. It's just pure pistachios. And I'm correct. My taste buds did not fool me. It's delicious.
So we loved the original Dubai chocolate. I have to say, I can see why the internet went mental for it.
Yeah.
It was really good. Have to say though, if you don't want to get on a plane, the Godiva one is an excellent alternative. Although it is more expensive by £5, but it's a really
Yeah.
nice one if you're going to gift somebody, let's say. And if you're not feeling that bougie and you only want to spend £10, only 10, go for the limp one. I think that's probably my
I
next
think
favourite.
it's, yeah,
Yeah.
pretty good.
Subscribe here for more sweet treat reviews, top tips, and general baking joy.
Ooh, and get yourself some Dubai chocolate.